How do you rank at the top of Google? Well, you need to tap on the right brick. Google considers over 200 factors, or maybe even more, to rank websites. One thing is for sure, backlink is one of the most significant factors. It has remained so ever since Google's founders introduced the PageRank algorithm. In this episode of SEO Sneak Peek, I'll tell you what backlinks are, and how they work. Let's get started. What are backlinks? Backlink is a hyperlink from another website to yours. Though this explanation may look simple, backlink building isn't that easy. It is considered as one of the sweatiest tasks within SEO. But why is it so? Let's check out. For Google, backlinks are votes of confidence. They help the search engine giant measure a website's authority and relevance. But wait, not all backlinks go into the good books of Google. Only the high-quality ones do. So, what happens to the rest? They can land your website into deep trouble. And, getting blacklisted is the scariest of events to happen. What I mean to say is, building hundreds of low-quality backlinks will do more harm to your website than good. So, how to go about it without inviting Google's anger? Well, if you gain backlinks to your website from authoritative sites, your probability of getting ranked for a search query is very high. Now, let's look at the not-so-great side of it. Little to no backlinks, or having low authority ones from irrelevant websites, can get a website buried deep under the SERPs. As a result, the website goes unnoticed. So, you might be thinking, what's this big deal about relevancy? The truth is, relevancy is one of the top priorities for Google when determining the quality of a backlink. Suppose your website specializes in law. But the backlinks pointing to it are mostly from technology blogs. Google cannot find any relevance. This means such links are not going to be beneficial. So, what is that Google looks for when deciding the quality of a backlink? How many links you have? How many of them are natural? How relevant they are to your website? And of course, Google doesn't like it when you pay websites to get backlinks. So, what's the way out? Publish high-quality content and reach out to authority websites. These are classic ways to build quality backlinks. So, we are at the end of the video. Hope it helped you get a bigger picture of what backlinks are, and how you can leverage them for your website's SEO. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates.